For number 6 on the algebra worksheet, I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. First, you got to recognize that there's parentheses. So parentheses mean different things, but one of the things I'm allowed to do here is multiply. So I can distribute the 5 in. I can do that because it's just a normal parentheses, and you'll see what I mean on a different problem. So this would become 5v squared minus 5 times 6 is 30. Is equal to 215. We're solving by taking the square roots, not by factoring. If I add 30 to both sides, then I have 5v squared equals 245. At that point, I'm going to divide by 5. So v squared is equal to, let's see, 43, I believe. I'm going to double check that with my calculator. 245 divided by 5 is 49. Yeah, I made a mistake there. Now I'm trying to figure out why. 24 divided by 5 is 4. That's 20. There's 4 left. 45. Okay, now I'm good. Take the square root of both sides, and so v is going to equal 7 and negative 7. You can write plus and minus 7, which looks like this. 7 and negative 7 is going to be very useful on future problems, so you could leave it like that. So looking at the same problem, another option that you could do is you can divide by 5. Different problems are going to determine which one of these is easier. If I do the divide by 5 option, then I have v squared minus 6. Because the 5's there cancel to a 1. So 1 times the parentheses is just the parentheses. And then on this side, this time I have 43. Adding 6 to both sides gives me v squared equals 49. And then I can do the same thing. If I look at that one more time, this whole thing, 5 and then parentheses v squared minus 6 equals 215. A situation where it would not be a good idea to divide first is if you had some other number involved, like plus 3 equals 215. The problem you wouldn't want to do it there is if you divide by 5, most people forget that you also have to divide this by 5. You have to divide everything by 5, and it becomes an issue, because then you're doing the problem wrong. So if there's another number involved, like that situation, you might want to multiply, distribute instead. But there are also problems where you can't distribute, and we'll see those. So keep watching the videos.